Hello team and family. We're working on dividing mixed numbers. And this is video number 2. Sheila has 10.5 pounds of potato salad. She wants to divide the potato salad into containers, each of which holds 1 1/4 pounds. How many containers does she need? Explain. So, some important pieces of information that we need to write down, and I'll write them up here at the top. 10.5 pounds of potato salad. That's how much I'm starting with. She wants to divide the potato salad, so I can put the division bar there. She wants to divide the potato salad in containers, each of which holds 1 1/4 pounds. So each one of these containers holds 1 1/4 pounds. How many containers does she need? So I need to take the total amount of pounds of potato salad and divide them by 1 1/4. So I'm going to put underneath 10 1/2 divided by 1 1/4. Something that we discussed about division is that we need to make sure when we're dividing, something that we saw in video number 4 for dividing fractions, is that you first need to make sure you change your mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 10 1/2 becomes 21 over 2, because I multiplied the denominator times the whole number, then added the numerator. 2 times 10 is 20, plus 1 is 21, over the same denominator. Similarly, I'm going to go ahead and write 1 1/4 as an improper. 4 times 1, denominator times the whole number, is 4, and then the product of that plus the numerator. So 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. Now, this is a division problem. As we saw in the table on video number 4, dividing fractions, we want to change it to a multiplication problem. So we take 21 over 2. In the table, we changed the division sign to a multiplication, and we took the second fraction and we found the reciprocal. So when you do the reciprocal, you just take 5/4 and you flip the numerator with the denominator. So now it's 4 over 5. So now we can multiply 21 times 4. And if I didn't know that, I can multiply it on the side, is 48 over 2 times 5, which is 10. Now I'm going to need to take this fraction and I'm going to need to simplify it. So thinking about numbers that go into both 48 and 10, I know that they're even numbers because it ends in an 8 and a 0. So I'm going to divide them by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, this is still an improper fraction. I want to make it into a mixed number. So I'm going to take 24 and divide it by 5. 5 can't go into 2. 5 times 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down the 4. 5 goes into 24 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20, or 24 minus 20 gives me 4 left over. So if I remember what I said about recycle, reuse, I write my whole number first, then my remainder is my numerator, and my divisor is my denominator. So my answer is 4 4/5 containers. Now, because usually you don't have 4/5 of a container, my answer is going to probably be most likely 5 containers, because you can't really cut a container into 4/5, so you'll need about 5. These squiggly lines mean about about 5 containers. And that's my answer. Woo!